अस्सलामुअलैकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और आई एम सो सॉरी आई couldn't make videos before, but I'm back to normal. So today's topic is about mascara, how to choose mascara. I'm gonna review here 1 2 3 4 5 different brands for mascara. No, sorry, 4. So I'm gonna try here L'Oreal mascara, then I'm gonna try Max Factor, then I've got Maybelline one as well, and then I've got one Rimmel. So for if you ask me, my favorite one is Rimmel. I love this. I love the result. So I'm just gonna do a wee bit quick review for whatever I have tried earlier on. How how what was their result. So the L'Oreal one, when I tried it, I found this gives you false effect for the lashes. If you don't like false lashes, you can put this mascara on. This gives you a very false look for your lashes. There's no need of false eyelashes if you're gonna buy L'Oreal mascara for your makeup. It's a bit messy as well, but again, as you know, you will get a perfect look with your party or bridal makeup, whatever you're going for, with no mascara look, with no lashes look, sorry. Then I've got here Max Factor. इसका जो इफेक्ट है, it's natural dry, clean finishing, and there is no tackiness. I mean, ये अगर आपने लगाया हो, it would give you very natural look feeling. It doesn't give you any false look at all. I've got no mascara on just now. So the next one is Maybelline. This Maybelline pink one. So this one gives you natural look too, clean finishing, no tackiness. Lashes keep getting in each application. आप इसको जितना ज़्यादा लगाई जाएंगे, ये उतना ही आपको जो है वो lashes की false look देगा. So at the end, I'm gonna review about the Rimmel. This is the best. This is I use for myself, and this looks natural. इसके साथ आपको कोई प्राइमर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, इसके साथ कोई messiness नहीं होती, इसके साथ clean finishing होती है. आप इसको, so I'm going to apply first of all L'Oreal one. Let's see how the results are. And you already know, it's all up to you how you're gonna apply your mascara on. Everybody's way of putting mascara is different, but the way I apply is I just when I put mascara over here, I would just do a zigzag motion like this. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि आप इसको जितना ज़्यादा लगाएंगे, आपकी लैशेस उतनी ही ज़्यादा लंबी होती जाएगी. You can see the difference in both lashes with this. This is with the L'Oreal mascara, and this is with no mascara. Okay, lashes के साथ लगाए, without lashes लगाए, it's all up to you. So the next one I'm gonna apply is Rimmel. Let's start. Again, you can see this is one of the best as well. आपकी lashes, you don't need any false lashes with this. and the results are amazing. So this was removed. So the next one I'm going to apply one is Maybelline, and you can see the results for Maybelline as well. So this is Maybelline.